What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna throw some oxtails on this smoker today. So what we got here is some nice sized oxtails. We're gonna get these trimmed up. Then we're gonna marinate them a little bit and get them on that smoker. What I'm gonna do right now is take some of this fat and trim it off of these oxtails. There's a pretty decent amount on here, so we'll get this trimmed up. And I got about, 8 or 10 of these right now. Then we'll get them marinated and seasoned. Let them get to room temperature, and we'll get them cooking on that smoker. So I'm gonna keep it pretty simple. Today we're gonna use some Mike P's I'm Thankful barbecue rub and seasoning. So Mike P is a buddy of mine out of Kansas City, Missouri. Check out his website. He probably got 200 different seasonings. So check him out. And then the other item I'm gonna use is Walker's Wood Jamaican jerk marinade. It's kind of spicy, but we're gonna put a little bit of that on there and some of the seasoning, and we'll go from there. Oh, last but not least, before I forget, this is black garlic. So it's ground black garlic. Really good flavor. We got some intensity in the garlic flavor. Since we're lighting the smoker today, I might as well put something else on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this chicken I have. We're gonna season it up with some Cosmo's Dirty Rub. Well, it's called Dirty Bird, Cosmo's Dirty Bird. I love this. I put it on my chicken all the time, inside and out, inside the cavity. I think I'm just gonna split this one in half and make spatchcock chicken. So, just hang on. We'll get this done. We'll get all of these items on the smoker. But don't forget, make sure you go and get you some KCMACS barbecue sauce. We have 3 different flavors. We got the original, we got the chipotle cherry, and then I also have a spicy, and we spice that up with ground habanero powder. So make sure you go and check this out on the website, KCMACS BBQ. So for today's cook, this is what we'll be using. We'll be using Frontier brand lump charcoal to start this out. For wood, I got some peach wood. So we're gonna be doing this chicken and these oxtails with some peach wood. And then I got one large piece of post oak that's gonna help me get it started, get that temperature right. And that's what we'll use for this cook. And a little bit different. I haven't used the peach wood in a long time. I usually use apple, but we're gonna try this one this time and see how it turns out. All right, so the first thing we're gonna get on there is these oxtails. So we got the smoker running just a little bit above 250 degrees, which is fine. So we're gonna get these on there, put them in the middle of the smoker where the temperature can get under them and kind of get over them, the way it's set up on this offset smoker. I'll probably run these for approximately 3 hours. Then I'll probably pan them back up, put in some beef stock. I'll cut up some onion, and actually I already cut the onion, so I got it prepped. And we'll put that in there with a little bit of beef stock, a little bit of more seasoning, and cover them, and then probably let them cook another 3 hours. So it's gonna be a long day, but we'll come back and check periodically. I'm gonna go grab that chicken that I cut up, so we can get that chicken on here also and get it cooked. So, you know, if you're gonna like the smoker, you might as well put a couple items on there so you can eat while these are cooking. The chicken will probably take about 3.5 hours tops, and we can eat that while we wait for this. So we'll see you in a little bit. So right now we're probably about an hour and a half in, so I'm gonna go ahead and spritz these oxtails with a little bit of apple juice and just get them moist, and then I'm gonna close it and let it keep on going. And since we had a chicken walking by, I went ahead and put him on there. So we're gonna give him a little bit of love too while he's on here. Try not to knock all that seasoning off, but just give him a little spritz. That skin's getting golden, so I'll give y'all another playback when we get another couple hours in. So now at this point we're about 3 hours in. So I'm gonna show you how these look. Pull them off, throw in some beef stock and onions, and we'll put them back on and let them finish for a couple more hours. That's what they're looking like. They haven't quite pulled away from the bone yet. But when we add the juice or the stock and the other items, it's just gonna infuse more flavor in it. So you'll see what I'm talking about at the end. So we'll do this, get it back on, and then we'll follow up when they're about ready. So here's where we're working. Now we got the oxtails panned up. We're just gonna take some beef base. It's warm. We're gonna pour it in here. I'll probably do half the pan. Then I'm gonna take my onions. We're just gonna put these all over the place. There's gonna be some good flavor right here. So, and then when it's all done and cooked, I'll probably take the juice off of this and make a gravy, thicken it up with a roux, and pour it back on top of these, and we'll serve them and eat them. So get ready. We got a couple more hours left, and it's gonna be oxtail time. All right, I just took these oxtails off the smoker so we can get a look at them. Sorry this foil is so loud, but you can blame that on the game. When you're in the smoking business, you use foil all the time. So let me pull one of these up. Look at that there. Separating from the bone. We're gonna call these done. I got some onions on top. That's what I'm talking about right there. Smoked oxtails. All right, here we go, right here. You can see it coming away. Look at that. It's too hot to just put in my mouth, so I'm gonna wait. But I'm sure y'all hear about it. Oh my, look at that. Oh man. Yum, yum. Mmm. Smoked oxtails.